From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Wednesday evening, Center County. I'm student meteorologist Christopher Tate here with your CNET forecast. We're starting things off with a time-lapse over Beaver Stadium today. As we start off in the wee hours of the morning, it was a mostly cloudy day, as is fairly typical for this part of Pennsylvania this time of year. But eventually the clouds dissipated, just a few scattered clouds drifting across the area, making for a fairly sunny day for December 11th. It is currently 32 degrees here in Center County. Winds out of the west at 17 miles an hour, making it feel like the low 20s and even upper teens this afternoon. Temperatures around the rest of the Commonwealth are, depending on how far west you go or how far east you go, is about how warm it's going to be. As you head off to the west, Erie 24 degrees, Du Bois 24, Franklin at 25. Then as you head down to the east, Philadelphia and Allentown, our warm spots this afternoon, both checking in at 39 degrees. Temperatures around the rest of the nation right now, 41 degrees in Albuquerque, a comfortable 50 degrees in Denver. Notice -1 as we approach a 3 o'clock hour, -1 in International Falls, Minnesota. And a quick nod to the warm spot in the nation right now, Tampa, Florida, checking in at a balmy 78 degrees. Wouldn't that be nice this time of year? Radar and satellite is fairly quiet this afternoon. A weakening low pressure system centered out over Illinois and Indiana is bringing some light snow showers. Those are going to be dissipating, but not before we get a little bit of cloud cover from that system. As we head into the overnight hours tonight, 6:30 this evening, a couple of lake effect snow flurries are possible, especially in the western and the northwestern corners of the state. Those clouds are going to be dissipating as we start the day on Thursday. It's actually going to be a fairly beautiful day. Should be a fairly nice sunrise as well, with hardly any clouds in the sky pretty much anywhere in the Commonwealth. That's going to remain pretty much the story as we head through the rest of the day on Thursday. Winds are going to shift out of the south, may get a little bit of a temperature boost from that. And as we jump ahead to Friday morning, clouds have overtaken the region by this time. This is going to be our next storm system. We start the day cloudy to mostly cloudy across much of the Commonwealth, and then by Friday evening we start to see some rain move in associated with this low pressure system that's going to be riding up the eastern seaboard. By 4 a.m. on Saturday, much of the Commonwealth already seeing light and maybe even some moderate showers, especially down in the capital region. Eventually that precipitation is going to wind down, but we are looking at the possibility of a quick burst of snow or some sort of wintry mix, especially along the ridges. Shouldn't be very much in the way of accumulations, just something to keep an eye out for on Saturday. Tonight, 20 degrees with dissipating clouds. It is going to feel like the lower teens and maybe even the upper single digits, with winds out of the west at 10 to 15 miles an hour, gusting as high as 30 miles an hour. So hat, scarf, gloves definitely going to be in order. And then as we head into the day on Thursday, 34 degrees, it's going to be another chilly day, but we will have that abundant sunshine as you saw on future weather. Winds are going to shift out of the south around 5 to 10 miles an hour. And as we look at the rest of your 7-day forecast, we are going to be warming up as we approach the weekend. 36 on Friday, 39 on Saturday. Some of the lowest lying areas may even be able to crack the 40-degree mark. Certainly wouldn't surprise me. We will be having all of that rain on Saturday. Temperatures are going to be dropping through the day on Sunday. Notice the overnight low Saturday matches the high temperature on Sunday, so temperatures are going to be dropping as we head through the day, and it's going to wind up a fairly chilly Sunday by the time all is said and done, 26 degrees. And then Monday into Tuesday, we are watching for the arrival of our next winter storm system. No specific details on that yet, but we are definitely watching for the possibility of some snow in the area. In the wake of that, it's going to be very cold here in central Pennsylvania, 22 degrees for your high on Wednesday. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Christopher Tate. Have a great evening.